So children, in this video we will understand about the topic evolution by stages. As we all know how evolution occurs. So it is by a small change when it accumulates for a longer time. In the next generation there we see a evolution, right? So for example, in your syllabus they have given few examples, that is planaria. So how evolution happens in planaria. Okay, so it is a quite changes which accumulate for a longer time and causes evolution. So this planaria, it is called as a flatworm. So you all know what is planaria. So you have studied in the chapter how do organism reproduce. In that asexual reproduction I explained about planaria, right? So this is a flatworm and which is having very simple eyes, that is called as rudimentary eyes. So initially it has a use of detecting a light. Okay, so it helps in detecting light, but as it evolved, this provided fitness, it provided fitness advantage to planaria. So this is one of the evolution in planaria. Next is feathers. So we all know birds utilizes feathers for flying, right? But initially it was not that. Okay, so initially feathers provided insulation in cold weather, but later it was adapted by birds for flight. So initially feathers were considered as a insulating thing. Okay, so in a cold weather, so insulating weather in insulating thing means, so when they feel cold they cover the feathers and they keep themselves warm. Okay, so but later it was adapted by the birds for flying purpose. So this is also one sort of evolution. Okay, so once upon a time even dinosaurs had feathers. Okay, but they couldn't fly, but still we can say that dinosaurs and birds are similar in course of evolution. That means we say birds and reptiles are from common ancestor. Okay, so next example, that is wild cabbage. So you know cabbage, right? So it is very familiar. So it was grown 2000 years ago as a food plant. Okay, so farmers later started growing cabbage which are having closed leaves. That is, we consume cabbage which is having a closed leaves. Okay, each leaves are very close to each other, right? So later they adapted, they started growing red cabbage, so which is different in color, so which shows red in color. Okay, so later they started growing cabbage breed in the form of flowers, so which is very famously known nowadays, that is broccoli. Okay, so that is evolution of cabbage. Some selected a sterile flower, that is cauliflower, that we consume. Okay, the next, swollen parts of cabbage or swollen parts of evolved cabbage, that is said to be kohlrabi. Okay, so it somewhat looks like turnip only. Next variety, that is wild cabbage with larger leaves, that is kale. Okay, so these are the varieties of cabbage. Okay, so this is a evolutionary relationship that you can see between each other. Okay, so the DNA will be like comparing the DNA will be in different species. Okay, so will be of different kind. Okay, so this is about few examples under the evolution by stages. Okay, so mainly you should know these three examples, that is planaria, feathers as well as wild cabbage. Okay.